Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the problem clip and protecting the original. Make a duplicate sequence immediately so you can experiment without risk. Once done, switch to the color workspace and enable Lumetri scopes to monitor exposure and sharpness while you edit. Make sure you scrub the timeline and pick a representative frame with both highlights and shadows. This helps guide sharpening and noise reduction decisions. Now that your workspace is ready and your safety copy is made, you can apply corrective effects confidently. Next, address softness carefully. Add a small amount of sharpening in Lumetri, start around 10 to 20 and increase only as needed, because over-sharpening creates halos. If noise is present, reduce it first using the Reduce Noise effect or a plugin like Neat Video, since noise amplifies when sharpened. Use masking with feathered edges to target faces or text, and track the mask if your subject moves. Make incremental adjustments, and toggle the effect on and off to compare the corrected result to the original for balance. For final polish, stabilize any small camera shake and inspect for motion blur. Use optical flow or frame blending where needed, because smoothing motion can improve perceived focus. Export a short test at your intended resolution and bitrate, and view it on the target device to confirm clarity. If you see artifacts or halos, back off the sharpening and reapply noise reduction in smaller increments. One key troubleshooting tip: if sharpening creates ugly edges, lower amount and increase radius rather than pushing the amount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.